Ang daming sasakyan, no? Parking lot. Yan. Dito kami guys nakapark. Yan. Iba naman yung aming papasyalan. Baka pumunta kami sa may Wascana Park, doon sa ay ano, open.
Yeah, or
Okay, what about shaking hands?
maybe sometimes they wear these white gloves like photo. Huh?
Air cadets only have those gloves.
Then you need to buy that one.
I do whatever, just like this. Holding a rifle. I'm gonna have to like.
In 900 meters, turn right onto the next exit and then keep right onto Victoria Avenue towards Winnipeg.
Where's the Victoria?
Turn right onto the exit now and then keep right onto Victoria Avenue towards Winnipeg. In 300 meters, keep right onto Victoria Avenue towards Winnipeg. Keep right now. In 400 meters, keep right and then turn right.
Man, where were you? Wow, where were you turn? Left or right? Does not know how to drive.
Eh, maintindihan naman yan dito kung bago ka dito.
They don't know that. I can't be driving like that. Turn your danger sign for like 2 seconds.
So saan naliliko? No? Where? Here?
Keep right now and then turn right. Turn right now.
Oh, wala naman dito ah. pa dito.
In 150 meters, turn left onto Quan Street. Turn left now. Your
Where?
destination is ahead on the left.
Here? Oh, kita na namin si Jollibee. Jollibee.
You have arrived at your destination on the left.
Left daw, to the left. Pwede ba yan? Pwede naman yun dito bata. Here, si Jollibee. Jollibee.
I'm going inside because I need to know what I do.
Wait. Nagmamadali. Nagmamadali ka kaagad, Maricel.
Halika, Andre.
Doon na kayo kumain. Pwede naman dyan na kumain eh.
Diyan na lang kakain na.
Oo, para
hindi na
maka... Saglit.
Oh, yeah.
Ano ko?
Kasi perfect party na naman.
Yan. Finally, nasa Jollibee na kami guys. Ayan. Nagkakamali-mali na tayo sa apat na. Ayan. Binibigyan ng instruction ni GPS ng ating pick up sa Jollibee. Ayan. Jollibee. Order na kami guys. Ayan. Chicken, Jollibee. Ayan, order na sila. Kinukuha na yung aming order at para kami ay makakain na guys. Aming order. Chicken. Stop. Wow. What is that? Wow.
Spicy right there.
Yeah, spicy one. Subukan natin itong spaghetti. Masarap. Konti lang. Spam chicken. Sarap chicken. Spicy.
interactions mostly take place in a fairly well-defined area in the Straits of Gibraltar, and there are maps available, sort of like a heat map showing the red zone where interactions are most likely, and boaters are advised simply during the months of June through September when these interactions take place to not go into that area. The other bit of advice really is that if these boaters suddenly find killer whales under the boat, that they should basically drive out of the area as fast as they can, which isn't very fast in a sailboat, admittedly, and hopefully the whales will lose interest and leave. And it's been found that if they continue driving away in their boat for 2 to 3 kilometers, the whales generally will give up and go back to where the interaction started.
Dr. Ford, thank you so much for your time.
Oh, you're most welcome, Bob.
Dr. John Ford is a research scientist emeritus with the Pacific Biological Station with Fisheries and Oceans, Canada. Another scientist with Dr. Ford at the meeting to discuss the whale-boat interactions was Dr. Renaud de Stepanis from the Spanish Conservation Organization.